Welcome to QR Show. Today we will show you how to create a QR code for an image. We'll use a tool called iMyFone QR Show. It's user-friendly and offers a variety of customization options. Let's go through it step by step. Firstly, visit the QR Show website. Click Dashboard and then log in or sign into your account. Click Create QR Code and then select Photo. Click Upload Images to add your images. Click Confirm to add them. Then you can choose how the pictures will be arranged. From the preview window on the right, you can preview how the pictures will be displayed after scanning the QR code. In addition, you can make the QR code private and set a password. Click Next and name your QR code. Finally, click Generate to create your QR code. Once the QR code is generated, you can download it or click Customization to personalize it. That's it. Let's get creative and make some magic happen with QR Show.